Here is the original, what I assume is a plane from the beginning in 2016 with the flyovers. Right here, no less, in this exact same spot. And that would have been around July 14th, 2016 to be exact, Bastille Day. And that's when things kicked off for me. The plane came in from out the west, came over, and when I tried to fumble with my phone and get the video going, it disappeared. It is Friday, August 11th, 2023, and we will be on UFO watch tonight. The famed Baja Beach Fest is kicking off in a couple hours. Meanwhile, it looks like things are clearing up out east, and we will stay on watch. Peace.